One simple thing. Today's one simple thing is so simple, you'll wonder why you didn't think of it yourself, because you may have already. But it's a good reminder also. Today's one simple thing is to always leave a purposeful writing spot. In other words, you intentionally leave a spot for journaling. So just take this journal. It's really beautiful. There's a lot of beautiful things in it. It's gorgeous, right? But sometimes you just need to make sure that you leave a spot for writing. So let's just do it in the back here. All right, so you can see this is a pretty plain page. I'm going to just take a little ink around the outside of the page, just like that. And then I could just leave it like that, right? But what if I wanted to take a little more oomph to it? So I've got a piece of beautiful paper that goes with this beautiful Wonderland. I'm going to fold it in half, and I am just going to tear the middle out of it. Just tear it. Just going to tear out the middle to leave a purposeful, intentional writing spot. And that would leave a beautiful place for me to write down my thoughts. And why do we do that? Because journaling matters too. I mean, art is fun, and I love doing the artsy stuff and the mixed media and everything. But our journals also record our thoughts, our hopes, our dreams, our memories. And so sometimes we need to remember to leave that spot just for a little writing. Now, I could add some ink in here if I wanted to. Maybe just a light hint. Just a light hint. And then just write down my thoughts. So maybe I could just put winter 2026 has been warm and dry. Nothing like the paper that I'm on. And I'll just put today's date on here so that I know, which is yesterday to you. But then I've purposely left an intentional spot for journaling. So I hope you'll do that. It doesn't have to be like this. This was just an example to share with you how you could give it a little style while you're leaving journaling space. Have a great day.